Hello students, welcome to the topic of making of shells by 6 pieces with single half lap dovetail joint and assemble with small wall bracket. At the end of this exercise, you shall be able to make the half lap dovetail, make the rebate and assemble and finish the wall bracket.
Materials, tools and equipments: sandpaper, wood screw, wood glue, router tool, chisels, mallet or hammer, measuring and marking tools, screwdriver, drilling machine, bar clamp, wooden mallet or block, sanding tools, finishing supplies, dovetail saw, marking gauge. Process: mark and make the single half lap dovetail socket on the side pieces top. Mark and make single half lap dovetail pin of the lining piece. Assembling and finishing. Apply the glue on the shelves by 6 pieces on the surface topped mortise, tenon and single half lap dovetail socket and pin. Assemble the pieces together using mallet or hammer. Place the wall bracket over bar clamp and tighten it. Drill a hole on the marked point of the drill hole using portable power drilling machine. Screw the side together using 35 mm screw. Drive the screw so that screw head should sit properly in the counter sink holes. Screw the lining piece on top of the side pieces with 35 mm screw using screwdriver. Fix the 6 mm plywood on rebate surface of the frame using 20 mm wire nail. Check the squareness of the job. Smooth the surface of the wall bracket using sandpaper number 60, 120, 150. Finish the small wall bracket.
In this video, we learned how to make shells by 6 pieces with single half lap dovetail joint and assemble with small wall bracket.